Today we will be unboxing Disney's Descendants Freddie, Isle of the Lost doll. This doll is recommended for ages 6 and up, and she is made by Hasbro. And on the back we see a picture of Freddie. It says, Freddie, Isle of the Lost, daughter of Dr. Celia, out of the shadows and onto the stage. So let's get Freddie out of the box. So Freddie is out of the box. She comes with her little bag, which can open, and it has a little cardboard mask in it, which is really cool that it can open. I like bags where they can open. And then a little mask pendant. It can't go on her face. And it has a little hook back here. And then a couple differences would be like Freddie on here, her feather or her hat is blue. Feather on the hat for the doll is purple. And then I noticed she has a lot more white streaks in her hair than she does here. I mean, there's a few, but not as much compared to the back of the box. So her pants are ghost patterned in purple, and she's got really cute white and black shoes. And then she has 2 bracelets, a nice red skirt. So this skirt and shirt are separate. And then she's got this nice shirt, and it's really soft right here, this part, with some gold little buttons, poof red sleeves. She has her nice little hat headband with her feather, 1 feather earring, and then the other one's a flower. She can move at her wrist, her elbow, and her shoulder, and her knees can bend. She can sit, she can turn her head. Her hair is up in pigtails. Freddie has 2 separate hair pieces coming down separate from the pigtails. They're hard to see. And then she's got little white dots going around her eyes. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.